1, 2, 3, let's go!
Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you what's in my college bag for 2018. I'm starting college in a few days when this video goes up. Obviously this might change, I don't know what I actually need in my college bag, so this is just what I'm going to be taking for the first couple of days until I actually probably work out what I need to take. This might not be like your normal what's in my college bag because I'm taking more creative subjects. I'm taking photography A-level and I'm also taking an extended diploma in media production, which is equal to 3 A-levels. So I am doing 4. I was going to do this video chatting through, like properly showing you, but I've decided that I'm going to film it more arty, just because I am not very well at the moment. I don't know whether you can tell, but my voice is not cooperating. Also, this video is a collab with the lovely Olivia. I'll put her channel up on the screen here. She is great, and also she's going to year 11, so if you are going to year 11 and would like someone to like relate to, maybe study videos, I don't know what Olivia's plan for her channel, but if you would like to subscribe to her, please do. She really deserves it, and yeah, I'm sorry that it's not as chatty as I would have liked it to be, but I hope that you enjoy it nevertheless. If you do, please subscribe and follow my social medias, and yeah, enjoy!
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
so much for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you're new. Follow my social medias if you would like to, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye!
Hey, yo.